What is Panacea method? Panacea method is a structural approach teaching. It is a technique, it's an approach, it's a strategy to teach English language or learn English language. Through my 2 decades long teaching experiences or learning from different tutors, mentors, or instructors, I have discovered a teaching approach named Panacea method. It is called Panacea because of what? Panacea means cure all. You have been struggling with English for a long time. You cannot write well, you cannot speak before anyone, even you cannot solve your MCQs. Just you see some sentences and you take a lot of time, but you cannot